Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Feby Beauty Indah with student identification number 24412032. I am a student of the Accounting Study Program Faculty of Economy and Business at University Technocrat Indonesia. On this occasion, I will be presenting material about account receivable, which is part of the intermediate financial accounting course. In this presentation, I will explain the definition, recognition, valuation, and importance of account receivable in financial reporting and company operation. I hope this presentation can help us better understand how account receivable play a crucial role in maintaining the financial health of a business. Definition of account receivable. Account receivable is one of the most important elements in a company financial statement, particularly in the current asset section. Account receivable represent the company right or claim against customer or other parties arising from credit sales of goods or service. In other words, the company has already delivered goods or provided service, but the customer has not yet made payment. In business practice, account receivable commonly occurs because many companies provide payment flexibility to increase sales volume and strengthen customer relationships. Classification and nature of account receivable. In accounting, account receivable is classified as a current asset because it is expected to be converted into cash within 1 year. Account receivable reflect the company's trust in its customer ability to fulfill their obligation within the agreed time. However, alongside the benefit of offering credit sales, there is a risk that some customers may not be able to pay their debt. The risk is known as uncollectible account or bad debt, which can negatively affect the company's revenue and financial stability. Recognition of account receivable. The recognition of account receivable occurs at the time a company makes a credit sale. When this happens, the company records the amount of the sale as revenue and simultaneously record an equal amount as account receivable. For instance, if a company sells goods worth 10 million rupiah on credit, it will record account receivable of 10 million rupiah and recognize revenue for the same amount. When the customer pay off the debt, the company records the cash reserve and remove an corresponding receivable balance from its book. Allowance for doubtful account. An important aspect of accounting for receivable is estimating the potential amount they may not be collected. Not all customers are able to pay on time, and some may fail to pay due to financial difficulties or bankruptcy. To anticipate such situations, companies must establish an allowance for doubtful accounts. This allowance represents an estimate of future loss and is recorded as an expense in the income statement. The existence of this allowance ensures that the value of account receivable presented in the financial statement reflects the net realizable value or the amount the company realistically expects to collect. This approach makes the financial statement more accurate and fair. Valuation of account receivable. The valuation of account receivable can be conducted using several approaches. One common method is applying a certain percentage to total credit sales, while another method is through an aging analysis of receivable. In the aging method, the company evaluates receivable based on how long they have been outstanding. The longer a receivable remains unpaid, the higher the likelihood it will become uncollectible. Through this approach, the company can determine a reasonable amount of allowance for debtful accounts to be recorded as at the end of the accounting period. Presentation of account receivable financial statement. Account receivable is one of the most important elements in a company financial statement, particularly in the current asset section. Account receivable represent the company right or claim against customer or other parties arising from credit sales of goods or service. In another word, the company has already delivered goods or provided service, but the customer has not yet made payment. In business practice, account receivable commonly occurs because many companies provide payment flexibility to increase sales volume and strengthen customer relationships. Conclusion. In conclusion, account receivable represent a significant component of a company financial position, reflecting both its relationship with customer and the effectiveness of its credit policy. Receivables are not merely numbers on a balance sheet. They embody the company trust in customer, its sales strength, and its ability to manage financial risks. Through proper accounting principles and sound receivable management, company can maintain liquidity, strengthen financial stability, and support sustainable business growth. Thank you very much for your attention and for listening to my presentation. I am Feby Beauty Indah, student ID 244122032 from the Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economy and Business, University Technocrat Indonesia. See you and have a great day everyone.